Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you want to see how I got my hair from this to this, then keep watching. Today's video is in collaboration with Tymo, and they did send me out their Tymo ring, which I'm very excited about. I've been seeing this Tymo ring all over YouTube, and I've seen some very beautiful results, especially on kinkier textured hair like mine. So I am super excited to try this out for you guys. So first of all, let's get into the unboxing. Let's see what comes with the Tymo ring. When you receive your Tymo ring, this is the box that it's going to come in. It's also going to come with 2 clips, a heat protectant glove, a detangling brush, a nice storage bag. Here's a closer look at the Tymo, which features ceramic teeth with patented V-shape, which makes the hair silky, shiny, reducing breakage and splitting by up to 50%. And it also has 360 degrees swivel power cord as well as international dual voltage. So I do have my Tymo ring heating up, and I do have it on the highest setting, which is 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So what I love about the Tymo ring is that it does have 5 different heat temperature settings according to your hair type. So the lowest temperature is going to be 266 degrees Fahrenheit, and the highest being 410 degrees Fahrenheit, which is what I usually use on my hair anyways when I flat iron it. I don't typically go over 410 degrees Fahrenheit, so I really love this about this is that it's not going to give you heat damage and it's not going to fry your hair. And I also love that this is super duper convenient. It's a 2-in-1 innovative design, so it's going to be a comb and a flat iron all in one. So I'm thinking this is going to cut my styling in half. It took about 60 seconds for this to heat up, which is extremely fast. And also it has an automatic 30-minute shut off. So just in case you're rushing and you leave the house and you forget to turn this off, don't worry, it's going to turn itself off for you, which is a plus. And I am loving the anti-scald design, so this is going to allow you to get to your roots very good without burning your scalp. Tymo also did send me out this smoothing hair oil, which is great. So it protects hair up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it does have lightweight oils in it like jojoba oil, argan oil, and grapeseed oil, so that it doesn't weigh your hair down. So it's very non-greasy and lightweight. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use a little bit of this oil. Just a little bit, and this is supposed to add a really nice shine. You can add this to either wet or dry hair, either way. I tend to use oils when my hair is dry. That's just what I prefer. But you can also use this on wet hair. It smells really good too. So I'm just going to divide my hair up into 2 sections. That way we can get a good comparison of what it looks like once I completely do this side of my hair, which will be extremely exciting. And we're going to see if we can get this done in one pass at the highest setting, which is 410 degrees Fahrenheit, which is definitely for my hair type because I have a more coarser, kinkier hair type. Going to take about this much here, so I'm going to go ahead and twist this here up out the way. So I'm going to go ahead and use this detangling brush just to further detangle, just in case I missed any knots or tangles. So we have about this much hair that I'm going to test out. And I'm going to do slow and steady. Ooh, I could see the heat. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is super sleek, and it even got my roots straight, and it's super, and my hair is looking super shiny. Wow. I'm going to continue to do the rest of my hair. Okay, so I finished one half of my hair and it is super duper straight. Super straight. Wow. Wow, what a difference. So I am going to go ahead and do the other side of my hair and then we're going to come back and see the final results. So this is what my hair is looking like. Wow. So what I absolutely love about the Tymo ring, number one, I love the innovative two-in-one design, the comb and the flat iron all in one, so that you don't have to sit there with a flat iron and do the chase method. So it definitely cuts on time. So I completed my hair in half the time, probably about 15 minutes to do my whole entire head of hair, which it usually takes me like 30 minutes with a flat iron. So super duper convenient and fast. It's pretty much one pass friendly. I did have it set at 410 degrees Fahrenheit, which is more for my texture of hair. So if you just want to do one pass, you can. And it gets the job done in my opinion. And I am loving the temperature settings. Like that is so important for any type of hot tool. As I mentioned before here plenty of times on my channel, when you are shopping for heat styling tools, make sure they have temperature settings so that you know exactly what heat you're putting on your hair. Otherwise you can cause a lot of breakage and damage if you're not using heat according to your hair's texture. So that is also a huge plus. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.